Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber.
Today we'll explain how to put BGM on an audio track.
Let's begin. Let's start.
The handling of audio materials is basically the same as the handling of video materials. Begin from Import Files to place the files on the timeline panel and apply effects. The audio material used for editing will be loaded into the project panel just like the video. The loading method is exactly the same as the video. Click to select the audio material you want to import. Click the Open button. This is how the audio material is imported into the project panel. Place the audio material, the A1 track. Drag and drop audio material just as you do when you place video materials. You can adjust the length of the audio clip in the same way as the video clip. Let's set the voice to fade out. Select Audio Transitions, Crossfade, Exponential Fade, and drag and drop to the end of the audio clip. Finally, let's try playing it. Now we have learned how to put the BGM on the audio track.
How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.